Hello friends, welcome to Hinginjira. Is your mouth watering after looking at these yummy green mangoes? Mine too. When I was a kid, I used to pluck the mangoes from the trees and just relish it with, some salt and chili powder. But as I have grown up, my taste too has changed. Now I like to prepare spicy pickles from these yummy mangoes and of course lemons too. But friends, have you ever tasted the broad beans pickle? It tastes awesome. So here comes a simple and easy recipe of this yummy broad beans pickle. So let's check out the video. Friends, to prepare this pickle, I have taken 250 grams of broad beans. You can take according to your requirement. Just wash them and pat them dry completely, and then just remove the strings on both the sides and just open it in the center and just check for any worms or insects if any. For this recipe, friends, try to grab some small broad beans if you can. Otherwise you can take the long one too. So now just keep the broad beans aside and place a bowl on a low flame. To this add a glass of water. When the water is little boiling, add around 75 grams of washed tamarind and just let it boil. Mix the tamarind with a spoon and just make sure that it is properly cooked. It may take around 5 minutes to 7 minutes to cook properly. While the tamarind is cooking, let us place a small pan on a low flame. To this add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds and saute it on low flame. Now when the fenugreek seeds are almost done, to this add 3 tablespoons of mustard seeds. Please just make sure that you don't burn these seeds, otherwise the entire pickle will just taste bitter. So saute all these seeds on low flame. When the mustard seeds start crackling, switch off the flame and let it cool. Now transfer these roasted seeds to a stone mortar or a mixie jar and grind them to a fine powder. The powder is ready, just keep it aside. Now just look at the tamarind. It's been cooking for almost 5 minutes. Just switch it off and let it cool. It should be completely cool, friends. So before transferring it to a mixie jar. So now just transfer it to a mixie jar and grind it to a fine paste. So this is how it is after grinding. This is the ground paste. Just keep it aside. Now place a pan on a medium flame and to this add around 250 grams to 300 grams of oil. You can take any oil. I prefer sesame, but you can take any oil. When the oil is medium hot, add the beans and fry them for around 5 to 10 minutes on low to medium flame. Now just make sure that you don't brown the beans. Friends, the beans have been frying for almost 5 to 7 minutes. They have changed the color. Now just take a seed and just check that whether it is cooked or not properly. But be careful, it is too hot. So you can see that the seed is almost cooked. So now fry for 1 or 2 more minutes and just transfer them to a plate. Now to the same pan add 2 tablespoons of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of urad dal and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin and 3-4 dry chilies. Friends, if you feel that oil is too less, you can add more oil to this. Fry them on low flame for around 2 minutes so that they just change to light golden brown color. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, that is hing, and if you are a person who doesn't like hing, then you can just add few garlic pods. Just give it a good mix and to this add few curry leaves. Just make sure that you have washed and dried the curry leaves properly. To this add half a teaspoon of turmeric and mix well. Now add the ground tamarind paste to this and just fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Now adding the tamarind paste and frying it for 2 to 3 minutes just vanishes whatever the moisture is there in this tamarind paste. It helps in increasing the shelf life of this pickle. So just make sure that you fry this tamarind well and now switch off the flame and let it cool completely. Friends, when the tamarind is completely cooled, just add salt and chili powder according to your taste. Here I have added around 50 grams of salt and 75 grams of chili powder. Just give it a mix. Just make sure that whenever you're adding the salt and chili powder, the oil and the tamarind paste is completely cool. Now add the fried beans and the ground mustard and fenugreek powder and give it a good mix. After giving it a good mix for around 2 to 3 minutes, the oil starts oozing out slowly. Friends, if you feel that the oil is little bit less, you can just go ahead and add the oil according to your requirement. Wow, our yummy pickle is ready to relish. Friends, just transfer it to a glass bottle and store it in a refrigerator. This pickle stays up to 6 months if stored properly. Friends, if you like my video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. For more interesting videos, stay tuned. Until then, bye-bye.